Alrighty guys, Jason from Tuff Mounts. Today we're just going to do, literally it's just a small video on the VC Commodore we're building, beta build. So this is literally, we're just going to show fitting the engine, trans, all that sort of gear. So it'll be quick, relatively easy, painless operation. So yeah, just bear with us and yeah, make sure at the end of the video, make sure you subscribe, tell your mates about it, follow the builds, follow all of our builds. In fact, there's going to be more and more content, honestly, as we get time. We've got lots of cool stuff in the build at the moment. So at the end of the video, I said hit the subscribe, stay tuned, and there'll be more videos on this car very soon. Cheers guys. So there we go, next stage is completed. We've fitted the 308 that we've had kicking around out of our old panel van deliverance project. It's been rebuilt by the guys at Max Auto. We've just put a fully rebuilt Turbo 350 trans in behind it, thanks to Jamie up at JRM Transmissions. New flywheel, new flex plate, 3.5 Turbo 350 high stall. This one will be running an old Haltech E6 GM8 ECU that we had with this motor. Roller cammed. Yeah, it's just nothing crazy, just nice. Got a set of old extractors from Pacemaker that were actually also off of our deliverance panel van. They were out of that car, so they were well used and abused, but more than adequate for what this thing is going to be. So progress is happening. It's happened quite well all of a sudden. It took us, I think, about 2.5–3 minutes to drop the motor in place using the Tuff mounts. Nice and easy, as you'd expect. Next off the rank for this car now is basically wiring, which we'll try and finish off tomorrow. We'll swap out the front rotors and calipers for some later model VS V8 ones. They'll just fit straight up to it. All the diff's done, fuel tank's done. Just need to basically fit a fuel pump to run with the motor. Yeah, and then sort of the next stage will be finishing off the interior, getting that thing there all looking nice, dropping the radiator in, fitting some thermos, and it's all pretty well there. Diff was built by Graham down at Boss Differentials. We've gone for a 3.7 full spool, 28 spline billet axles, obviously Commodore disc brake rear. It's a Borg Warner, nothing crazy, but it'll be more than capable of punting this thing along quite well. Trying to think sort of what else. I think it's all sort of been covered in most of the other videos along the way. But yeah, it's starting to look freaking tough. We're really looking forward to kicking him in the guts and seeing what we ended up with the engine wires, and then throwing it on some rollers somewhere and getting it tuned if we need to. Hopefully the tune in it should still be pretty reasonable from the panel van when we had it all into that lot. But yeah, it's starting to get there, and yeah, it's starting to look real cool. Anyway, enjoy.